What if everything you owned was never really yours? What if every breath you take is not your right, but a gift? Feel that, because everything belongs to Al-Malik, the absolute owner. Not just the heavens and the earth, but your heart, your hopes, your very soul. Think of the greatest king you've ever heard of. Now, imagine a king beyond all kings, the king of all creation, who hears your whispers in sujood, who sees your tears when no one else does. Yet he keeps giving and giving out of love. This is Al-Malik, the one who owns everything. Doesn't it move your heart, knowing that when you raise your hands in du'iyah, you're asking the master who holds every solution in his hands? But one day, you and I will stand before Allah. Will we be proud, or will we lower our gaze in regret? You still have time. Right now is your chance to return to him, to love him. Because when you truly know Al-Malik, you stop chasing this world and you start longing for him. If this touched your heart, subscribe to Imanify, and let's walk this journey to Al-Malik together.